Hello everyone! In today's quick guide, I'll introduce you to Capitalize My Title, a smart tool that makes title capitalization easy. Whether you're following APA, Chicago, MLA, or other style guides, this tool has got you covered, so let's dive right in. Start by visiting capitalizemytitle.com. Here, you can automatically capitalize and convert your titles to various styles, including title case, sentence case, uppercase, lowercase, and more. To begin, select your preferred title capitalization style by clicking on the corresponding tab. Simply enter your title in the text box and watch as the tool applies correct capitalization using logic and artificial intelligence. If you're satisfied, you can press enter or click the copy button to copy the formatted text to your clipboard. It's that easy to capitalize your next title. For this example, at the bottom, you'll find handy buttons for specific case conversion options. For title case, it capitalizes words according to Style Guide's rules. For sentence case, it capitalizes the first word of each sentence. For uppercase, it converts your title to all uppercase, while lowercase converts your title to all lowercase. For first letter or proper case, it capitalizes the first letter of every word, while alt case capitalizes every other letter alternately. For toggle case, it changes the case of every letter in your string. Explore multiple options to capitalize and change the case of your titles, headlines, and more. The top tabs correspond to different style guides, ensuring accuracy. Whether you're following APA, Chicago, AP, MLA, BB, AMA, NY Times, Wikipedia, or email style, this tool has the right capitalization rules for you. And that wraps up our tour of Capitalize My Title. It's a fantastic tool for ensuring your titles and headlines follow the correct capitalization rules. Try it out for your next project. And if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!